Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two incredible drones on the table: the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a high-quality camera is crucial. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a beach or a family reunion, the HS440 can handle it all. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone takes it up a notch with a 2-axis motorized gimbal and a 4K EIS camera. This combination guarantees stunning and vivid footage in a bird's-eye view without missing any details. It's your ticket to the sky. Next up, let's talk about flight time and portability. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. This is made possible by its powerful modular battery, allowing you to capture and explore more of your surroundings. Additionally, its foldable frame and included carrying case provide complete freedom and easy transportation. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone impresses with a maximum battery life of 26 minutes. This, combined with its powerful brushless motors, ensures stable flight and enough time to compose the perfect pictures. It also features a foldable design and a carrying case, making it a great travel companion. Now let's explore the intelligent features of these drones. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers user-friendly functions such as automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It also includes intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone comes equipped with multiple functions like headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These features are specifically designed for novice pilots, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. After comparing the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone, it's clear that both drones have their own strengths. If you prioritize a higher resolution camera and advanced features like Follow Me and Tap Fly, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone is the perfect choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with decent camera quality and user-friendly features, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is a great option. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.